Hello students, let us try to solve multiple choice question of exercise 1b. Question number 8, you see the smallest of 5-digit number using two different digits. We have to find out which is the smallest 2-digit number with two different digits. So you see all of them are 5-digit numbers. If you will count, all of them are 5-digit numbers, and they also have only two digits. You will find that 1 and 0, it's not it. So out of this we have to find the smallest one. You see this is 10,000 and this is 10,001. Okay, and these if you see only these two numbers are smaller than these two numbers. So out of these two smaller numbers we will find which is the smallest one. Definitely this is the smallest one because 10,000 is smaller than 10,001. So your answer will be C. Now let us see question number 9. The question number 9, the difference between the greatest 5-digit number and the greatest 5-digit number with all different digits. So first of all we will have to find out the greatest 5-digit number. So let us see the greatest 5-digit number. So greatest 5-digit number is what? 9, 9, 9, 9 and 9. So 5 times 9s. Okay, this is greatest 5-digit number. Now we'll have to find the greatest 5-digit number with all different digits. All different digits, is not it. So we'll start 9, then 8, then 7, then 6 and then 5. Finally we have to find out the difference between them. Difference means we have to subtract. 9 minus 5 will give you 4. Okay, again 9 minus 6 will give you 3, then 9 minus 7 will give you 2, and 9 minus 8 will give you 1. So your answer is 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 1234 is your answer, which is option number D. Okay, so let us see question number 10. In the question number 10, the sum of the smallest 4-digit number using only one digit and the greatest 4-digit number is. So we have to add actually greatest 4-digit number with the smallest 4-digit number using only one digit. So or if you want to use only one digit to make a smallest number, definitely you cannot take 0, you have to take only 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have taken 4 ones because the smallest 4-digit number using only one digit is this one only, 1111. Now we have to add. What we have to add? We have to add greatest 4-digit number. You know greatest 4-digit number 9, 9, 9 and 9. Okay, add it. So 1 plus 9 will give you 10, carry 1. Again 1 plus 9 is 10 plus 1. This is 11. Again carry 1. Then again here you will get 11. Again carry 1. It will again give you 11. Okay, so this is the sum of the smallest 4-digit number using only one digit and the greatest 4-digit number. So this is your answer, which is option number C. So option number C. Now let us see question number 11, higher order thinking skills. Okay, so here what they have asked, take two digits 5 and 7, from them make 4 digits numbers. We have to make 4-digit number using both the digits equal number of times. That means you have to use both the digits equal number of times. So let us see. Okay, so first of all we have to make all the digits possible using 5 and 7. So let's start. First write 55, 77. Okay, then what we can write? 77, 55. Okay, and what more you can write? You can write 5, 7, 5, 7. Okay, again you can write 5, 5, 7, 7, 5. Okay, so there are more number that we can form. Let us try. So 7 5 7 5, again 7 7 5 7 5 7 5, we have done. Now 7 5 5 7. Okay, so total how many numbers we have formed? We have formed 1 2 3 4 5 6. So what is the greatest number from here? If you see what is the greatest number from here, so definitely this is 7755 is the greatest number. Okay, now what is the smallest number here? The smallest number is 5577. Okay, now what is the number of different numbers that can be formed in all? Total 6 number we can form. So this is how we will do high order thinking skills.